Welcome everybody to Cooking with Poppy.
Today my granddaughters Guinevere and Arwen will be helping me make this delicious
cheese
enchilada. Be sure to leave a comment below, and most importantly, be sure to
like and subscribe.
So let's get started, shall we? First, we need to finely dice 1/2 of a white
onion.
Next, we're going to bring a pan up to medium heat. I'm going to add an inch of canola oil to my pan. And when the oil comes up to temperature, we're going to fry our
tortilla
for just a few seconds on either side to soften them up. If your oil is the correct temperature, it will bubble as you set the tortilla into the oil. Just like that. After a few seconds, flip over your
tortilla,
being careful not to tear it. Then we're going to pull it out of the pan, set it on some paper towels so it can drain the excess oil, and just repeat the process until you've done all the tortillas this way. And this is the last one, and then we will start assembling the enchiladas. I am going to start by covering the bottom of the pan with this homemade enchilada sauce. I will be posting the video on how to make this delicious and easy enchilada sauce in the coming weeks, so keep an eye out for it. Next, take one of your softened corn tortilla shells, get a little bit of that sauce on it, add a little bit of your diced up
onion,
and then add a generous amount of
cheese.
Today I'm going to be using Colby Jack, but you can use whatever kind of cheese you like. Then I'm going to carefully roll it and leave it seam side down like this. And again, just repeat the process until all your tortillas are filled. A little bit of onion, lots of cheese, and roll it up with the seam side down. Be sure to use plenty of enchilada sauce on the bottom. When you roll them, make sure you always end up with the seam side down. That way they won't open up in the oven. Once they are all rolled up, it's time to smother them with that delicious homemade enchilada sauce. And make sure they get completely covered. Be very generous with your sauce. And now we're going to top everything with some more
cheese.
You can never really have too much
cheese.
Now into a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes in the oven, the sauce is bubbling, the cheese is melty, my kitchen smells amazing, and it looks like this. I'm going to pull one of these out of here and see how we did. Give it a taste test. Will you just look at that? Now I'm hungry. And that's how you make a simple, delicious cheese enchilada. We hope you enjoyed our video today. And as always,
thanks for coming, everybody.
It's time to dig in.